Do you like shopping, fashion, style, clothes, unboxing, and try on videos? Then stick around because today is a Nadine West day. Hi guys, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel. Today in the mail I received my first Nadine West package and I can't wait to open it. So before I do, let me quickly explain what Nadine West is for those of you who are new to it like I am. Nadine West is a styling service, and for $9.78 you'll get sent a package with 4 to 6 items. You try them on in the comfort of your own home. You only pay for what you keep. You send back the rest in a little pink package. Anything you keep, the $9.78 will come off of the total. It is that simple. And if you sign up under the link that I provide down below, your first time, they will give you a $10 credit and free shipping, and I'll get a $10 credit, so it'll be a win-win for both of us. Okay, so with all that out of the way, let's get into the fun part. See what they sent me. Okay, that looks like if I was going to return anything, that would be what you stick on the package. Here is a little bundle. It looks like there's another one in here too. It looks like something pink and black and white. And then there's this bundle. Looks like something blue and black. And on this side, it looks like some kind of little jewelry. All right. No paperwork. Okay. All right, let's open this first one with the blue and the black. Okay, this first one looks like a shirt. Very cute. You know what? How am I going to tell you guys what it is if they didn't send me an invoice? This is going to be a riddle here. Well, okay. We're going to stop right here. I'm going to go online and see if I can find an invoice so I can describe what everything is for you guys and how much it is. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I figured it out. They did include the invoice in the package. All I had to do, it was on the return mailer. You just had to flip it over and there was the invoice. Okay, so when you get it, you'll know where to look. Okay, so let's get back onto the cute little shirt we got right here. This looks like a cold shoulder top with some kind of crisscrossing going across the arms. It is by Popular 21 in a size large. They call this top a Crissy top, and it's $23.49. Now I think I'm gonna like this. This is kind of cute. I could see me wearing this. Let me see what the material is. 95% spandex, 5% rayon. So yeah, I can't wait to try that on. I can pretty much tell. I think I'm gonna like this one. Alrighty, let's get into the next item here. Now this is blue, very pretty blue. I love the blue color. All right, let's hang it up so we can see right here. Ooh, right away. Pockets, it's got little cute little pockets. Looks nice and swingy and a lot of room. It's got some cute little pleating detail here. I don't know if this is me. I love the color, but it looks kind of like, my first instinct is maternity. I don't know. I'll try it on. Maybe it's just looking that way on the hanger to me. Okay, let's see who this is. This is called the Annie short sleeve round neck pleated top in ice blue. $24.49. Not a bad price. Yeah, so I'm going to save judgment and put it on. Keep an open mind like I always said. You never know. I might end up liking it. Oh, let me see what the material is. It is in a size large, 55 polyester, 40% rayon, 5% spandex. Okay. Now the next item that was in the bundle was 2 items. little jewelry packets here. This looks like a little pair of earrings. Oh yeah, I could see me liking these. A little pair of silver earrings. These are the Lila Silver for $14.99. Just little studs. And then the other one, a cute little bag. They do pretty good on the packaging. It's a little bracelet. This is called a heart tag bracelet. Let me see. And that's in silver and it's $7.99. Yeah. Let me try this on right now. If I can get it on there. There we go. Oh, that's cute. Huh, if I keep anything, I'm gonna keep that for sure. Yeah, $7.99, I'm keeping that. The shipping was $9.78, so I'm definitely keeping that. All right, and I'll probably keep the earrings too, because those look like something I would wear. But I don't know 100% for sure. We'll look at the whole bundle and make the decision later. Okay, now we're gonna open the second bundle. Now this looks like a pretty pink color. Oh, this looks promising. All right, let me put it up on the hanger so you guys can see it. This looks like a summer dress in a very bright, okay, I'm thinking I don't like the shirt, but it's a very beautiful blue, and this is a very beautiful pink. So they got it on the colors. Let's hope it looks good. I'm thinking I will like this. It could be kind of form-fitting, so that could be iffy. All right, who is this by? Xenia Premium in a size large. No pockets. Can you guys see the whole thing? It looks like it might be like come down below my knee. Just a little tank dress. Looks like you could easily wear a bra with this. All right, let's see. Dress, Kayley dress in pink for $24.99. Okay, I hope that one works. And then the last item is a pair of leggings. I don't know, guys. I'm not a big legging fan. I'm not even gonna lie. I've never liked leggings. I'm like one of the few people in this world that I've really tried to like them, but I'm just really not a legging person. So I will try them on, and you never know. These are kind of different. They look like they're lace, like lacy. All right, let me hang them up. Like I said, I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna keep an open mind along with the blue shirt, but I've never had that good of luck with leggings. These were the lace floral black leggings for $20.19. Okay, so that's everything. Let's get straight to the try on. Okay guys, I am back with the dress. I'm gonna start by saying one positive thing about it, because I can tell you I don't like it, but I wanna say one thing, in that I think it's a very pretty color to wear to a beach or something like that. If you had a great tan, it would be a good color to show a tan. But with all that said, this is a simple tank dress. It is supposed to be easy. You throw it on, you run to the grocery store, put some sandals on. No, I had regular undergarments on. You could see every inch, every stitch of my undergarment. It is form-fitting, all capital letters, very form-fitting. No. I went ahead and, to be a good sport, put some shapewear on so you guys could see the dress overall, but I will not be keeping this dress. Okay, let me step back real quick. You can see it's very tight. Yeah. Being a good sport. You can see, yeah. Okay. Well, now let's get on to bigger and better, and let's hope I have better luck with the next items. Be right back, guys. Back with this ice blue shirt. This was called the Annie short sleeve round neck pleated top, $24.49 in a size large. Now it's a very soft material, feels very nice against the skin, and it's very cute pleats, and it has nice pockets right here. But I don't understand. I don't understand. This is a maternity top. It does not say it's a maternity top, but this is a maternity top. To me, this is a maternity top. I could be 9 months pregnant with triplets in this top. No, I don't understand. The first dress was so form-fitting that I had to put shapewear on with it, and that was horrible. And then they go to the opposite end of the spectrum and give me a maternity top. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so now we'll move on to the leggings. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of leggings, but I do say, like, if I were to buy leggings, these are pretty big. They're very nice against the skin. I love them. I would wear them around the house, maybe under some pajamas or something, but I would not wear these out in public. It's just too much for me. The design is too much. Come on. Come on, don't I look pregnant? Like, I seriously, with these leggings and this, I look pregnant. I'm trying to be nice, guys. I don't like this. This is not nice. This does not look good. I like the material. I like the shirt feels nice against the skin. The leggings feel nice. I mean, here, I'll show them to you. I'll be a good sport. They're nice leggings. I mean, if you're a girl and you like leggings, yeah. I mean, maybe if I put a black shirt with this might be cute. Like maybe if I put this with it, but then I think that's too short. It has to be long. So, no. The dress is a no. The shirt's a no. The leggings a no. The only thing I got left to hope for is this black shirt. So let's cross our fingers and let's hope that looks nice. Be right back. Hey guys, I'm back with the last shirt of the day. This was the one I had the most hopes for. I will stand back so you can see the whole shirt. It's pretty cute overall. I don't hate it. I love it. It fits well. It feels good against the skin. I'm not going to keep it though, and the reason I'm not going to keep it is I'm going to come up and show you guys. This right here is not supposed to look like that. I think what it's supposed to look like, if you hold it tight and you pull it down like that, I think it's supposed to look like that. And if it stayed like that, like no matter what I did, if it stayed like that, I'd probably buy this shirt. But that's not what it does. The second I move, this is what it does. And that's not cute, and I'm not keeping it. I thought about just cutting them out, or maybe if I sewed it tighter, like there wasn't so much extra string, like if I sewed it, but I'm not bothering with all that. So there was 2 pieces of jewelry also in the package. It was these little pair of earrings. They're cute. They were $14.99, but nothing special. I have earrings like this, so I'm not keeping these. There was this little charm bracelet. That's cute. I will keep the charm bracelet. It's $7.99. It has a little heart on it, so there's nothing wrong with that. I'll keep that. But that's it. My first Nadine West package was a big old bust, but I'm going to communicate better with them next time. Make sure they don't send me any leggings, and no maternity tops, and no dresses that are so form-fitting you have to wear shapewear with. Like, I'm just going to communicate, and hopefully they'll pick up where I'm going. And thank you guys for watching. If you're liking these videos, for the good or bad, click like and subscribe button down below. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.